Dumelang ditsala, re a le amogela mo Setswana se monate. Leina la me ke Motheo, ke na le tsala ya rona Khumo. Gompieno re tlo go buisana ka matsatsi a beke.
Hi friends, welcome back to another awesome episode of Setswana se monate. My name is Kumo, and today we will be talking about the days of the week. Let's go! Monday,
Mosupologo,
Tuesday,
Labobedi,
Wednesday,
Laboraro,
Thursday,
Labone,
Friday,
Labotlhano,
Saturday,
Lamatlhatso,
and Sunday.
letsatsi la tshipi.
Let's say them again before quiz time. Monday,
Mosupologo,
Tuesday,
Labobedi,
Wednesday,
Laboraro,
Thursday,
Labone,
Friday,
Labotlhano,
Saturday,
Lamatlhatso,
and Sunday.
letsatsi la tshipi. It's quiz time! It's quiz time! It's quiz time! Friends, this is the part where we try to figure out how many of the days of the week you remember in Setswana.
Monday,
Mosupologo,
Tuesday,
Labobedi,
Wednesday,
Laboraro,
Thursday,
Labone,
Friday,
Labotlhano,
Saturday,
Lamatlhatso,
Sunday.
letsatsi la tshipi.
And that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Bye friends.
Salang sentle ditsala.